work underwater? Let's fish. Let's fish. Let's fish. I might go to the doctor.
Hi, sir.
We're in Robinson's right now, Iloilo. We already have our shirt. I'm gonna get my normal YouTube shirt. Me. Yeah, like that one note or something. That's also loading if they get some purpose. And then I would get the $5
Seafood spinach soup. Classic savory chicken. Long life pancit canton. Chinese style beef.
Can I eat now?
Do you want
I'm
this?
hungry.
You want soup ka?
Later. I want to try. Yuck. Yuck. Mommy,
Try ko, ano ito?
What does it mean? Is it like from Twilight or something?
Share na. Ano yung kasi
This is egg, white stuff. Looks like guava juice. Or it looks like smashed guava. Like smashed potatoes with smashed guava. I love the smell. I love the smell. That's the smell. Okay, let's see some.
Wait na isa na yung kasi.
I'm gonna eat
Yeah,
already.
is it hot? Tell the TV. We just finished going to the doctor.
Oh, that's and the soup
The
from
soup is
Ocean
delicious.
City.
You want to mix it with
Yeah, that
rice?
tastes the same soup.
You mix it with rice? Small? Small rice?
This tastes exactly like the soup from Ocean City. I like the egg, by the way. I did not taste the egg. The white part is the egg. Yummy. Yummy. Oh, yummy. Like the finish this. That this will taste more of vegetable. Vegetable. Guys, don't eat the white square. Tastes like yucky. I love the egg. Yeah, but the white square is that egg. Now the rice. Stop. I want to try noodles. I want to try noodles. Definitely want to try noodles. Make way for the noodles. Hot. I couldn't taste it. It was too hot. Hot. Tastes like... I don't know how to describe it. Like...
Wala dito kuya ba?
First of all, yummy. So much food in my plate. Love it. I want more noodles. Chinese food.
Salat na mo yung divide na mo. Ano pala ang door ni ibutangan sa door sa
That's definitely
floor na lang doon.
Tastes like beef.
Oo, tuk-tuk.
Tastes like beef.
Definitely
Definitely tastes like beef. We're gonna try it. Yummy, right? Yeah, yummy. Turkey's chicken. Yummy, right? How do you do this? I know. Open it then. Look, mushroom. That's already. This is mango pudding. Hello. I think it looks like a big gigantic. The gigantic beside it. It looks like it. Okay. I'm eating the yolk now. It's so mango-y. Hello. I want that one also. Whoa. It's like
One more. You
mango jelly. Yeah, this is a technical term for mango jelly. It feels and tastes. I even like feels like mango jelly. That's mango pudding. It's like melted cheesecake. That's other dessert. This is almond fruit bowl. These are lychees. What is that red thing inside that? That tastes it. I don't like that. Now I'm gonna taste the soup. Yeah. Now the jelly. Maybe I'll like it when I'm an adult. Okay, look, seriously, when I'm an adult, I know I'm gonna like that. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and bye. Custard tree! Share, like, okay? I already said that. I don't know. Okay, seriously, bye-bye. Bye-bye.